So here we have cosecant theta minus sine theta equals to cotan theta times cosine theta. So I right away convert it to sine and cosine. This one is the inverse of sine minus sine theta. So now I need to do the common denominator because the denominator is 1. It's going to be 1 minus sine squared theta because sine times sine is going to be sine squared. So then what I can do, I can write, instead of 1 minus sine squared theta, I can write cosine squared theta divided by sine theta. And instead of that, I can write, decompose it like cosine theta divided by sine theta multiplied by cosine theta. So cosine theta is the same as cotan theta. Here I have cosine theta. So now I have cotan theta times cosine theta. That's basically how you need to solve this question.